Jaden could have been saved if the police searched last night. We have family members searching the bush, but not the police. If they came in, they just knocked on doors at least and went to go look around, we could have found Jaden. He could have been alive today.
The body was still home. The body was still home. So that means that child was dumped there at that time. The child's body was still home. So if the police had to go out, because remember the mother went to the police station. She even struggled to open up a case for this child. So if they had done their job even last night, this child could have still been alive. But this is the thing that is happening in our country. Nothing is getting, they're doing nothing.
What can I say? There we go again, right? I said that to start the day with that incident in Hanover Park. The police was there, the whole force was there to protect that guy, right? The rapist, criminal, right? That's all I can say. Here we go again. They can't do anything for our people.